Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Forgot your Apple ID password and lost access to the phone number associated with your account? This is definitely a complication, especially if you need to sign into your account on other devices that require a verification code sent to your phone. In this video, I will let you choose between 5 different solutions, each of which will show you what to do if you forget your Apple ID passcode and lose access to the phone number associated with your account. Let's go. Before you follow any of the solutions I will discuss later, remember that they will only work if you own the iPhone where your Apple ID is signed in. To avoid confusion, let me clarify also that this video is not about enabling or removing iCloud lock on your device. Even if you've forgotten your Apple ID password, you can still reset it whether or not you have access to your phone number. The first method I recommend is to reset your password directly in iPhone settings. Note that this should work if you have passcode security enabled on your device. To check, open Settings and browse to the Face ID and Passcode Configuration page. If you are prompted for your passcode, the security feature is enabled and this method should work for you. Otherwise, skip to the account recovery timestamp, as this is the only method that might work if the passcode is not enabled on your device. After checking that your passcode is in place, navigate to your Apple ID settings and open the Password and Security menu. Click Change Password and enter your device passcode to authorize the action. Upon verification, type in your new password and re-enter the characters to reset it. Besides iPhone settings, you can also reset your account password using the Apple Support application. If you don't already have it, open the App Store and install the app. For this method to work, make sure automatic downloads are set in the App Store and your iPhone passcode is enabled. After installation, you will be automatically logged into your account. From the dashboard, select Reset Password and enter your device passcode to proceed. Then provide your new Apple ID password and retype it when prompted. As another option, did you know you can also ask a friend or family member with an active Apple ID to reset your password? Provided that the passcode is enabled on your iPhone and your friend's Apple device is running iOS 17 or iPad OS 17 or later, this method will definitely work for you. All your friend has to do is open the browser and visit iforgot.apple.com. Click Reset Password and choose Help Someone Else. Next, enter the email of the account you want to reset and confirm the process by providing the correct phone number associated with it. Once verified, your trusted device that actively uses your Apple ID should receive a prompt allowing you to reset your password directly on your iPhone. After confirmation, simply follow the on-screen instructions to create a new password for your Apple ID. Unfortunately, if you haven't activated the passcode on your trusted device, the only alternative to resetting your Apple ID password is account recovery. To get started, open your browser and go to iforgot.apple.com. Click the Reset Password button and type in your Apple ID email and CAPTCHA code to continue. Then confirm the phone number that matches the one associated with your account. On the next page, scroll down and click Can't use any of these options. If you select this option, Apple will implement a waiting period to verify your account. Tap Continue Anyway to agree. Skip verification mode with your phone number and verify with your email instead to increase the chances of recovering your account. Although you have already forgotten your Apple ID password, the Mail app on your iPhone should still be signed in to your account, which you can use to receive a verification code. Open Mail and copy the verification code sent to your account. Return to the recovery form and paste the verification code into the provided field. Finally, enter a new phone number that Apple can use to send you further recovery instructions later. After submitting your account recovery request, wait for instructions from Apple and continue to check your new phone number for any SMS or phone calls. So, did any of these methods work for you to successfully reset your Apple ID password? If so, the next step is to change the trusted phone number associated with your Apple ID. To learn more about this, I have another video explaining how to change your Apple ID's trusted phone number. Just click on the tag in the upper right corner or follow the link in the description box below. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.